Pakistani delegation was left red-faced in America. The US lawmaker has called out the fakery. Lawmaker exposed Pakistan's Jaish-e-Mohammed link. This is Brad Sherman saying to Pakistan, combat terror. Pakistan should do everything that it can to eliminate Jaish-e-Mohammed. Meanwhile, the Indian representative Shashi Tharoor has welcomed the statement. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how the copycat delegation of Pakistan has been left red-faced in United States, even though they desperately tried to copy how India has sent several teams, several delegations across the world, including to the United States of America. They have failed miserably. US Congressman Brad Sherman now exposing the Jaish-e-Mohammed link to Pakistan. And this is after the meeting with Bilawal Bhutto-led delegation. Brad Sherman, the US Congressman, urged Pakistan to eliminate terrorism, particularly the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Indian delegation envoy, meanwhile, Shashi Tharoor, has welcomed this statement. It's a huge embarrassment for Pakistan. It is also a huge embarrassment for Bilawal Bhutto, who is leading this delegation, because it is only after meeting them that Brad Sherman came up with this statement saying Pakistan should end all links with Jaish-e-Mohammed. My colleague Pratibha has more on this. Let me quickly go across to her. Pratibha, over to you.
Right, Shreya. So imagine this, the Pakistani delegation, as is the entire country of the United States, and the world now knows that this delegation has come immediately after the Indian delegation. It's a copycat delegation. So the world is aware of that. They meet the American lawmaker, and immediately after that, take a look at what happens. This is a picture that has been tweeted by the Congressman Brad Sherman, and he says, met Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Pakistan's ambassador Sheikh, and House Affairs leadership for a candid conversation about regional tensions following last month's India-Pakistan conflict, democracy in Pakistan and counter-terrorism in the region. So this is a picture that he has tweeted with Bilawal Bhutto there that you can see. But look at the immediate message that comes after that, very clearly calling out Pakistan after meeting the delegation. The Congressman Brad Sherman going on to say, I urge the Pakistani delegation to relay to the government the need to free Dr. Shakil Afridi, who continues to languish in prison. And then it goes on to speak about Pakistani delegation and the importance of combating terror. Now, look at that. The congressman here tells that Pakistan needs to do something about terror on its soil, saying, I emphasize to the Pakistani delegation the importance of combating terrorism, and in particular the group Jaish-e-Mohammed, who murdered my constituent Daniel Pearl in 2002. Pearl's family continues to live in my district, and Pakistan should do all it can to eliminate this vile group and combat terrorism in the region. And interestingly, also going on to say the protection of religious minorities in Pakistan remains an important issue. Christians, Hindus and Ahmadiyya Muslims living in Pakistan must be allowed to practice their faith and participate in the democratic system without fear of violence, persecution, discrimination or an unequal justice system. And this statement, of course, has been welcomed by Shashi Tharoor, who says that it is important to call out Pakistan for what it has been doing, saying it's a welcome reminder by the representative Brad Sherman that Pakistan is the country that not only sheltered terrorist mastermind Osama bin Laden, but also arrested and punished the brave doctor who identified his location. So being called out by the United States, and the statement being welcomed by India.